Hey y'all, it's Ryan Dyal, the producer of Santee Cooper Boat Landing series. Last year I did a video on Spiers Landing, and there are not, how do you say it, Spiers? Everybody says it different. I call it Spiers. I'm sure the family will call me and fix that. Now, listen, last year I did a video on Spiers Landing, and if you go back and check that video on YouTube, you'll see down in the comments that people were upset and said that they had all kinds of stealing and it needs to be fixed up. Well, somebody heard y'all, and Johnny Cribb and a lot of people, Mr. Pinckney, came together and got with the county to get money to be able to fix up Spiers Landing, and they did just that. Santee Cooper, a little shout out to them. They gave us another gratis lease, either 20 or 40 year, I can't confirm that, to help them secure those funds, and now it looks great. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go to the ribbon cutting in just a minute. All kinds of people are there, but I'm gonna send the drone up, let y'all see what it looks like before and after. So let's get right to it.
This is a truly an exciting day and a project that we're very, very proud of.
We go use to have this tournament at, and the best location was Spiers Landing, and then there was a series of comments about, oh goodness, we can't go to Spiers Landing because this might happen or that might happen, and I'm like, goodness. So we came out here and you look at the park, and the park is just absolutely beautiful. In terms of the scenery, I mean, you couldn't get anything better. So then it became a mission of the county holds this lease from Santee Cooper. But what it needed was a commitment. It needed some funding.
You can tell those were tennis courts, and now they're just amazing.
The basketball court, which was the first project that we did, the ball field.
People ask me all the time, like, what are y'all going to do out there? What is the park going to become? And it's interesting because that's my question. My question would be, what are we going to do out here, and what is the park going to become? That's up to the community. That's up to the people that are passionate about this place. Long after we